Standard 6th, Subject Geography, revision of lesson number 1. The Earth and the Graticule, and let us use the graticule. Here on the map, it represents all the continents and oceans of the Earth. Observe the map minutely. Here in the figure, the diameter from west to east is 12756 km and from north to south is 12714 km. This shows the size of the earth. The lines running horizontal on the globe is said as latitude, and the lines running vertical on the globe is said as longitude. On the globe, there are circles. The circles created at some angular distance from the center of the earth are parallel to one another. Hence, they are called parallels of latitudes. The degrees of the parallels are measured from the equator. That is why the equator is considered as 0 degree parallel. It is the largest parallel and also a great circle. The equator bisects the earth into north and south parts. The one to the north is called the northern hemisphere, while the one to the south is called the southern hemisphere. Towards the north and south of the equator, parallels of latitude progressively become smaller and smaller. On the globe, at north and south ends of the Earth's axis, they appear as points. These are called the North Pole and the South Pole. Or longitudes. Semicircle on the globe are said as meridians. 0 degree meridian is called as prime meridian. The 0 degree and 180 degree meridian lie opposite on the globe. 10 degree east, 25 degree east, 135 degree east is eastern hemisphere. 10 degree west, 25 degree west, 135 degree west is said as western hemisphere. Distance between any two adjacent parallel is 111 kilometer on the surface of the earth. Distance between two adjacent meridian is also 111 kilometer on the equator. Degrees are divided into minutes and minutes into seconds. Latitudes and longitudes are expressed into degrees, minutes and seconds. Each degree is divided into 60 minutes and minutes into 60 seconds. The distance between two adjustment parallels the same everywhere, but the distance between two adjacent meridian is not the same everywhere. We can see even an segment of an orange. The distance between the meridian is the maximum and equator and goes on reducing towards the poles. At the poles, it is 0. Graticules are lines showing parallels of latitude and meridians of longitude for the earth. Graticules can be used to show locations in geographic coordinates, degree of latitude and longitude. We use latitude and longitude for determining the location on the earth. This method is being used even in today's modern age quite effectively. Geographical Information System (GIS), Global Positioning System (GPS), Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO), and the next is IRNSS, Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System. Vatican City is known as the smallest country in the world. It is spread over an area of 0.44 square kilometer. This country is located within Italy on the Italian peninsula. See the latitudinal and the longitudinal extent of this country. From west to east and also from north to south. There is no difference in the degrees or minutes of latitude or longitude, but the difference is only in seconds. From this, you will get an idea about the use of these smaller units of minutes, seconds in angular measurement.